Welcome to AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective with Dr. Nirdosh Jagota. Bringing over 3 decades of global regulatory and quality experience to demystify the intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare regulation.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. Nirdosh Jagota, and today we're diving into a fascinating area where artificial intelligence is making significant strides: pharmaceutical manufacturing and quality control. This intersection of AI and manufacturing quality represents one of the most promising applications of advanced technology in ensuring drug safety and consistency. The pharmaceutical industry faces an ongoing challenge: maintaining exceptional quality standards while managing increasingly complex global supply chains. AI and machine learning are emerging as powerful tools in meeting these challenges, but they must be implemented within strict regulatory frameworks. Let's explore 3 critical areas where AI is transforming pharmaceutical manufacturing quality control. First, let's examine real-time process monitoring and control. Traditional quality control often relies on end product testing, but AI enables continuous process verification, predictive maintenance, real-time release testing, early detection of process deviations. For instance, a major pharmaceutical manufacturer recently implemented an AI system that monitors critical process parameters in real time, reducing batch rejection rates by 25% while maintaining full compliance with CGMPs, current good manufacturing practices. The second area is batch release decision-making. AI systems are now being used to analyze multiple quality parameters simultaneously, identify subtle patterns that might indicate quality issues, predict stability outcomes, support batch release decisions. However, it's crucial to note that regulatory bodies require these systems to operate within a validated framework. The FDA's approach to AI in manufacturing quality control emphasizes model validation requirements, change control procedures, data integrity standards, human oversight requirements. The third area involves supply chain quality management. AI systems are being deployed to monitor supplier quality metrics, predict potential quality issues, track environmental conditions during shipping, detect counterfeit products. Let's explore the regulatory requirements that govern these applications. Data management and integrity. ALCOA plus principles must be maintained. Data governance systems must be robust. Audit trails must be complete and secure. Data quality must be verified. Validation requirements. Initial qualification of AI systems. Ongoing performance verification. Change control management. Regular system reviews. Risk management. Clear risk assessment procedures. Contingency planning. Failure mode analysis, continuous monitoring protocols. A particularly interesting development is the concept of quality by design, QBD, enhanced by AI. The FDA and other regulatory bodies are increasingly supportive of this approach, which involves understanding process variables through AI analysis, establishing design spaces using machine learning, implementing real-time quality controls, continuous process verification. For example, consider a recent case where an AI system was implemented in a sterile manufacturing facility. The system monitored environmental conditions in real time, predicted potential contamination risks, adjusted process parameters, automatically generated compliance documentation. However, this implementation required extensive validation to ensure algorithm transparency, data integrity, appropriate controls, compliance with CGMPs. Looking at current regulatory expectations, several key principles emerge. AI systems must demonstrate reliability, reproducibility, transparency, traceability. Quality systems must include clear procedures for AI system management, regular performance reviews, change control processes, training requirements. Documentation must demonstrate validation of AI models, ongoing verification, risk assessments, control strategies. The future of AI in pharmaceutical manufacturing quality control is promising, but success depends on careful attention to regulatory requirements. As we move forward, we're likely to see more sophisticated AI applications, enhanced regulatory frameworks, increased automation, greater integration of quality systems. However, the fundamental principle remains unchanged. Technology must serve quality, not replace it. AI systems must enhance our ability to ensure product quality while maintaining full regulatory compliance. In our next episode, we'll explore predetermined change control plans and how they're reshaping the regulatory landscape for AI-enabled medical devices. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Nirdosh Jagota, and this has been AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with your colleagues. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube.
You've been listening to AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective with Dr. Nirdosh Jagota. Join us next time as we continue to explore the intersection of AI innovation and healthcare regulation.